Wouldn't work in the house. Well, you know, tonight we are seeing a cold front that's starting to slide into our area, although you're not going to really notice
Cold,
it.
huh?
I should tweak that. A cool front that'll be moving through. But it will be noticeably different tomorrow as compared to this afternoon when we hit 91. Taking a live look outside this evening. Beautiful looking night as we look off towards the north. We've got temperatures still at 77. Normally we should be at 81 for our afternoon high, so this is just a couple of degrees away from that normal afternoon high. Winds are variable right now here in Austin at about 3, but they are beginning to shift around to the northeast in a few locations. Show you that in just a second. 72 our current reading in Rockdale, 70 in LaGrange. We're at 65 out at the airport where we hit 44 this morning. 72 right now in Mason and 72 also in Fredericksburg. Now, told you the winds are starting to shift a little bit. You can see more of a northeast wind from Burnett over towards Georgetown and Lakeway as well. Still not a very strong wind. It's not like this front's really pushing its way southward very strongly, but the numbers are picking up anywhere from about 5 to 10 miles an hour. We've even got a 13 off towards the west in Fredericksburg. So we'll see little breezes throughout the evening tonight, and that front really just going to reinforce the dry air that's already in place and bring a slightly more seasonal air mass to our area for tomorrow. You notice the numbers to the north already in the 60s. This is a more typical for late April than our upper 70s that we have right now. So we're not going to see huge changes, and we're not going to pick up a lot of cloud cover either. You see cloud cover still pretty much non-existent across most of our area. May see a few high cirrus clouds tomorrow afternoon. Other than that, we'll just see that north to northeast wind tonight in towards tomorrow morning. You'll notice the winds become a little bit lighter tomorrow afternoon as they try to shift around to the east. So tomorrow, I think, is going to be our last really dry day. And then Tuesday, we transition from our dry weather to our more moist weather that we're going to enjoy for the rest of the work week. And then the humidity really starts to crank up Wednesday and Thursday. The temperatures are also going to go up as well. So forecasted temperatures will be a little bit low tonight, and we're going to keep that dry forecast in place for the next couple of days. But looking ahead towards next week, the first week of May, Climate Prediction Center looking at a few different models. And I've noticed showing our longer range models, showing a couple of fronts moving into the state that could increase our rain chances a bit as we head into the start of May, because the end of April looking pretty dry, and that starts tonight. So we'll see dry conditions out there tonight. 55 expected for our overnight low. We're going to see numbers across the area generally upper 40s to low to mid 50s. So maybe a couple of degrees warmer than last night. Tomorrow is going to be a few degrees cooler as well. About 10 degrees cooler here in the city of Austin, but normal for this time of the year. And looking ahead at the next 7 days, and one thing you will not need, besides a heavy winter coat probably, would be the umbrella. We've got a dry forecast ahead. 84 expected on Tuesday, 87 Wednesday, up to 89 by Thursday. Our next chance of rain, it looks like, will be coming late Sunday into early next Monday of the following work week.